Blizzard 2011. The dogs and the kids. No, guys, no, don't bury him. No.
Where do you want to do a tunnel? Huh?
Come here, Ozzie. Stay.
Oh my God, it's like sand.
Stay.
Scout, leave it. Scout, leave it.
Mom, take a picture.
I got it. It's on video. Look, let me get him. Let me get him with his face out. Move out of the way, Em.
Stay.
Hi, Ozzie. You're in a blizzard 2011. You're buried in the snow. What do you have to say for yourself? Hey, don't, Andy. You can't even see. How do you like it, Ozzie?
Down. Too close.
Okay, down his head, Andy. He's got to breathe.
Ozzie, stay.
No, let him. When he gets out, I'll get it on film.
I'll get him out.
You don't have to. Just when he's ready.
Wait till he's ready.
Paw.
You got to get out of the way, Em.
Hang on, I'm covering his paw.
I want to see him, though. Look at him.
Hey. You won't come out until you say F-R-E-E.
Really? He'll stay till you guys say free?
Yeah. Stay.
A boy and his dog in a blizzard.
Scout, come here. Scout, come. Scout, come. Come here. Scout, come. Now, sit. Sit. Down.
A
Down.
girl and her dog in a blizzard.
Down. Stay. 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 No, stay. Scout, stay. Scout, stay. Stay. Stay.
I can't believe he's staying so long. Don't bury his head, Andy.
Come
God.
on over here, Scout.
No, keep doing it.
Emma, look at me. It's Scout.
Stay. No.
Noah.
She'll get up. Just leave Ozzie. He won't until you say F-R-E. Go.
Get a picture of it.
I can't believe him.
He's like,
I got it on video,
he's
Andy.
like resting his head on the snow.
No, bro. Put it on picture. I want to put it on Facebook.
I know. All right, well, wait a second. You got to keep him there because then I'm going to miss it when he gets out.
Ozzie, stay. No, just leave him.
Stay. Stay.
Stay.
No, I can't. I can't get it
Stay.
Why?
because it's too cold. It won't move, the touch screen.
Stay. Good boy. Stay.
Emma, hold this for a second.
What? My hands are all
No, that's okay. Forget it.
No, stay.
Wait, Emma, let me see if I can get it on a picture. Move for a second.